Hello, grade one. Today we are going to learn about symmetry and lines of symmetry. Do you know what is symmetry? When we talk about symmetry, that means we are talking about figures when folded in half along a line and the two parts match each other exactly. Let's have a look at these shapes. Can you see these shapes, guys? This line that divides them into two identical parts, we call it a line of symmetry because these lines act exactly like a mirror where it divides a shape into two identical shapes. They look exactly the same like in the shapes. In order to know that a shape is symmetrical or not, we will try to separate the two shapes that the line of symmetry divides them. If they are exactly the same, this means it's a symmetrical one. But if they don't look like each other, that means they are not symmetrical. Let's try it. Let's try to separate the first one away from the other one. Do they look exactly like each other? Yes, they do. So this shape is a symmetrical one. Let's try another one. Can you see this rectangle? This is the line of symmetry. Let's check. I'm gonna separate the first one away from the second one. Do they look exactly like each other? Yes, they do. So it is a symmetrical shape. What about this one? Let's try to separate the two shapes divided by the line of symmetry. Are they exactly the same? Yes, they are. So this shape is a symmetrical one. Guys, did you ever think that a bug may have a line of symmetry? Let's check. Is this a line of symmetry dividing the bug into two exactly the same shapes? No, it's not. What about this one? Yes, it does. So even the bugs have a line of symmetry. Oh, wait, also tires have a line of symmetry. Let's try. Oh my God, also tires have a line of symmetry. Only one line? Let's try another one. This is also a line of symmetry. Only two? No, no, no. Also three. Also four. So a wheel has also lines of symmetry. Wow. Let's try to check some shapes with the lines of symmetry to check if they are really lines of symmetry or not. Is this line cutting the candy into two equal, exactly identical shapes? Yes, it is. So yes, of course, it's a line of symmetry. What about this line cutting the rectangle? Yes. And these two shapes look exactly like each other. What about this shape? Is the upper part exactly like the second part? No, 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 no. So this is not a line of symmetry. What about the circle? Is this line cutting the circle into two identical ones? No, no, no. So this is not a line of symmetry. Now, guys, we're done with the symmetry. It's time to talk a little bit about the grid. Are you ready? Let's start. You may ask yourself, why do we use a grid? The grid helps us know the exact location of an object or an anything. How does the grid do so? Let's check together. A grid has two lines. The first line is called the x-axis and it goes right, as you can see Mario is running on the x-axis. As you can see, when the x-axis will help us to know the real location of something, we're gonna check where is Mario on the x-axis? Is it on A? No, no, no. Is the location on B? Yes, it is. So the first location is on the x-axis, which is B. Keep it in mind, we always start with the x-axis. Let's check the other line. As there is an x-axis going to the right, the other axis is called the y-axis. Can Mario run on the y-axis? No, 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 of course not. Mario is going to climb the y-axis. Okay, so Mario will run first or will climb first? No, Mario will always run on the x-axis, then will climb it. So keep it in mind to always start with the x-axis, as I told you before, and then to climb the y-axis. Let's try some examples together. Where is Mario? Keep it in mind to start with the x-axis. Mario, is he on letter A? No, 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 no. He is on letter D on the x-axis. What about the y-axis? Is he on number 1? No. Number 3? Also no. He is on number 4. So when we want to write the location of Mario, we will open the parenthesis, write D, which is the location of Mario on the x-axis, then number 4, which is his location on the y-axis. Let's try another example. Keep it in mind to start always with the x-axis. Mario is on letter E on the x-axis and on number 5 on the y-axis. Let's write the location together. Don't forget to open the parenthesis and to write E, then 5. Let's try to locate each shape on the grid and write the location downwards. Number 1. Where is the sphere? The sphere is on letter E on the x-axis and on number 5 on the y-axis. Pyramid is on letter B on the x-axis and on number 4 on the y-axis. So we're gonna open the parenthesis, write letter B, comma, then number 4 and close it. What about the cube? The cube is on letter C on the x-axis and number 3 on the y-axis. So we're going to open the parenthesis, write C, write C, write C, write C, comma, then 3, and then close the parenthesis. Finally, the cylinder. Tell me, where shall we write the cylinder? You're right. The location of the cylinder is on F2. Excellent, guys. Enjoy the video and see you soon. Goodbye.